Finally, JavaScript to get the determinant in the matrices. The matrices why they be 2 by 2 and be 3 by 3. So now if you're in the video, should go on. I do know. Finally, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use JavaScript to get the determinant of any matrices, whether it's a 2 by 2 matrices or a 3 by 3 matrices. But first, let me get my desk. So let's get to my computer screen and get started. So hey guys, this is my laptop screen right here. So let's get started. Let's get started. So first thing I'm going to be doing is creating our folder. So I'm going to call this folder. Let's call it determinants. You know the last folder we created a detector. So I'm going to call this folder determinants. So open it in your code editor, whether it's your VS Code or Atom or any code editor you use, but me I'm actually using VS Code right now. So let's get started. So these determinants, I'm going to need HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's just start. So index.html, index.js, style.javascript, style. So CSS. So the HTML, write your boilerplate. Everybody should know that one right now. So we're going to call it finding determinants of a matrices. So let's link it to our CSS. Oh, style of CSS is correct. So the script, let's link to our JavaScript. Index.js, yes, you got it, yes, it's correct. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be creating two buttons, button A and button B. So let me just give it a div wrapper, div.buttons. We're going to see what's going to happen right now. So button dot, let's just call it, what should we call it? Is it 2 by or no? Let's just call it something. I'll make it more descriptive. Button dot, this one goes for the 2 by 2. Let's just call it for 2 by. Let's just go for 2 by 2. For 2 by 2. The class name is too big, it's too long, but let's do like that. So let's just write, click here to find the determinant of a 2 by, oh god, it's too long, 2 by 2 matrices. So that's it. Let's just copy this thing. So copy and just paste it right here. So for 3 by 3, no, I think this is so for 3 by 3. So here get find for 3 by 3 matrices, 3 by 3 matrices. So that's it. That's just it for this button. So let's just see what I've done there. So I'm actually putting the relaxing right now. So you can see, the buttons are too long. Let's just say click here to find. I finally thought of something. So instead of making it too long like this, so just say click here to solve. Let's just say click here to solve 2 by 2 matrices. Let's just say click here to solve 2 by 2 matrices right here. So it should not be too long. So let's just say click here to solve a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's just see how that goes. Let's just take it there. So at least now it's not too long. Is it good like this? Yes, it's good. So the next thing we're going to be doing right now is creating the inputs that we're going to be using. So let's just go to our section dots. Let's call it. I call this one for 2 by. So let's call it 2 by. Let's call it 2 by. Let's just call it 2 by 2. So this, a 2 by 2 matrices, you have like a square bracket here. Let me just show you. I should not just be making mouth here. So let's just go to WPS right now. I'll just show you how 2 by 2 matrices just look like. So we don't find it so somehow. Let's just create something. Let's just create something right here. So the equation, let me just show you how it looks like. Matrices, I just do matrices right here. Come on, matrices. Let's see, matrices. Yes, let me just create 2 by 2 matrices. But can it be bigger than this? This is going to be. Let me just show you that this is going to be like this. So like this now, we're going to need like 4 inputs right here. 4 inputs. You can see 4 inputs. You can see. So let's just go back to VS Code and create those 4 inputs. So inputs. So I'm going to give it an ID. Note. I'm going to give it an ID. So everything is going to work fine. So an ID. So it's going to make it special. ID of num1. Yes, that's it. So let's just copy the same thing, paste it. So this will be num2, this will be num3, this will be num4. Let's just see how that goes there. Oh, that's it. That's good. So after this, we're going to create a button that's going to just say solve. Find determinant here. So a button. This I'll just call it answer 1. No, let's just button dot answer 1. Let's call the button so solve 1. Let's say find determinant. So that's it. So we're now going to create a paragraph. They're just going to input everything outside. So let's just call it p dot answer. Yes, and you got it right. So answer 1. So this is just how this is what I'm going to write in the first place. That's all. Oh, I may say n here. So that's it. No, it's not going to be like that. Find. Yes, that's it. So this is here. So this is so beautiful. So that's it. Let me just put something here. So just everything just so that's it. So use it here. This is here. That's just magical. So next I'm going to be doing is creating the for 3 by 3. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to have for 3 by 3. Let me just go back here. So for this 2 by 2 we have here, we're going to be creating for a 3 by 3. This is here. So this is 3 by 3. So this is 3 by 3. It's going to be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's actually going to be 9. So let's get typing. Input number. So this is going to be ID of instead of num1 it's going to be no1. So something like this. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's just change this to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. So we're going to be creating just the same as this thing. So let's just drop it here. And instead of this to be so, let's just call it something of 2. Find the terminal. Let's just call the answer 2. But this is it. So let's just go to our web page right now. So I'll actually create something like this. So you'll be wondering how are we going to put all these things together. So let's just first design. Let's just go to our JavaScript first and just make everything look amazing. Should you design it first? Let's just make everything look amazing first. So let me just select this. Let me give it I forgot what to call this selection. Let me just call it margin 0. What's the next thing? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make it the section, not to show section. display none, visibility hidden, right? So not is going to show there, nothing, nada. So I'm going to be creating .show. I'm going to have a class called .show. So this .show will be display content, visibility, visible. So this will be .hide. So display non, visibility hidden. Yep. So we are going to do here. So actually gives me that in the future. So just don't worry. So let me just select the button. So div dot buttons. Div dot. So we're going to select the buttons. Let's call it button. Background color. Today I'm not going to be using blue. I'm going to be using a special color called red. FF3344. This is red. It makes things look easy, makes it look beautiful. So let's just give it some padding. Let's just give it some padding top and bottom. Let's say 1 EM, 3 EM. How does that look? It looks good. So let's give it a border radius. Let's just call it, but let's remove the border first. 0. Let's see. I think it looks clean. Let's do border radius. Border radius, yes, you got it. So 30px. Let's see. Oh no, I don't want to have this kind of shape. 10px. No, not this shape, not this shape. Let's just call it 5px. Yeah, this shape, yes, you got it. This shape. Let me just increase on that. Let's just 1.5 here. Just call it 3.5. Then let's just say 3. Let's see how this goes. Yup, that's right. So, what else? Let's select these buttons. So, what are we going to do here? I'm actually going to let's just give background color first and see what's going on that there. You know what's going on conventionally. Let's see what's going on that there. So let's decrease the width so we can make it to be center. Let's call it 50%. Let's see how that goes. No, that's too much. Let's say 60%. No, that's too small. Let's say 55. Let's say 54. Let's say 53. Let's say 51. Oh, that's right. So at least 51% there. Now let's just say margin auto. Margin 0 auto. You can see it just makes it beautiful easily. So I don't like that color that the button has, so let's just give it a color of white. Hash FFF, you should know that already. That's it. So I don't like the button now. The button now don't have this, what I call doesn't have this over, no, this pointer state. I don't like how it just looking somehow. We just say cursor pointer, right? So it's going to be having this like a link, you understand me? So let's give it to opacity. Let's just give this thing. Let's just give it a border. Is it 2px solid? I don't like anything like that or something like that. So FF3344. So let's reduce it. You know why that happened? Because before we didn't put any border radius. We didn't put any border radius there. That's why it became bigger. Like it became bigger. Let me just show you using another color. Let's have this color. Let's just give another color. Let's call it 3. Let's put another color there. Let's just see the button to one. So you see what's going on. So you can see that's a lot of border there. So that's what we need to be. So that's what we need to shift to the next one. So let's just go back to where we're coming from. So that's it. So you can see, as you can see, everything just going well. So let's just go here. Let's move this background color. Don't need it anymore. So voila, I've gotten this. So the buttons are not working yet. So let's make them working. Let's go to JavaScript and just make them working. Let's just make them working. So let's go to JavaScript. I hope I've linked in the JavaScript and HTML together. Yep. And yes. So now let's select the two buttons. So btn1 equals let's call it documents the query selector. As you know, that query selector is the easiest among all the selectors. I prefer it than any other selector because you can actually use the class of the button. As I usually like query selector. So dot, put it there. Let's btn2 equals documents the query selector. Yup, we got it. Query selector. Yeah, I don't like any other type of selector. I prefer query selector. Yep, so I have the class. No, the class is long. Let's just leave it like that. So what also happens is that when I click on this 2x2, it should show me. Come down. Let me just show you. If I click on this 2x2, it should show me this. If I click on 3x3 like this, to show me this here. Yes. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that like this. So btn1 dot add is like this. Now you got it right. So add the I'm going to be using right here. So click comma function. Yup. Yes, you got it with function, right? So what I'm going to be doing now is we're going to be using the class list toggle to do it. So I'm going to be let me just show you. So what we're going to be doing is that when it's clicked, what I want you to be doing is that it should show that section 1. So just says now I'm not selecting section 1. So let section 1 equals documents the query selector. Yeah, you got it right. Query selector. What's the class? That's what I like giving a class. So you just select it once and for all. Nothing like anything like that. No using the index like you use because class name. You telling you get the index. I don't like that. It will be disturbing. So that I will just avoid that problem for documents the query selector. So let's just see. 3x3, yes, you got it right. So let me put the class here. I'll put dots to use a class, right? So what I want to happen is that when I click on btn1 for 2x2, it should show me document the query selector 2x2, show me the 2x2. So let's just see. So section 1 dot class list dot toggle, right? You got it, yes, you got it. So I'm going to be toggling the show. Yes, show. Let's just see how this goes. Let me click on this. It's showing this. Just like magic, it's just showing immediately. I refresh, it goes away. I click on it, it shows. I refresh, it goes away. Just like that. Let's just do this for the other one. So btn2 function the class list toggle on so I'll be section 2, right? Let's just see. I click on this, it shows this. By refresh, it goes away. I click on this, it shows this. By refresh, it goes away. So, but there is a problem right here. If I click on this now, the two buttons are still showing. So that's why I added this class of hide. Remember I added the class hide there. I added it there. Remember I added the I hid it there. So you can see. I put it there, so I added it there so it can work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be saying then the btn1 dot class list dot toggle. No toggle, not to string toggle hide, right? Let us copy the same thing for btn2. Let us copy the same thing for the other one too. So I click on this one now. Nothing else shows again. If I refresh it, I click on this now. Nothing shows again. So that's just the basic thing. Now So I click on this one now, it only shows the 2x2. I click on this one now, it shows the 3x3. So you can see that's just like magic. So now time to now design everything that it goes inside, like everything, so let's go for a break.
If you notice, in the beginning of this video, I actually used the Yoruba language to start this video. And the reason is because I noticed that many of us Nigerians, Yorubas across the world, don't actually know the Yoruba language. So I just use this to enlighten people more on the Yoruba language. And if you don't like the way I'm starting, I'm going to leave a timestamp in the description of this video, like so you can skip to the English introduction and you don't have to listen to the bloody Yoruba language there. So let's get back to the video.
So I kind of forgot that we should add the hover state for the buttons. It's to make the buttons look more natural. So let's just add the hover state right here. So the hover state. So let's just call it. So the hover state is going to be the opposite of what is in the normal state. So just say background color. Yes, you got it. Is it going to be white? Yes, you got it. Yes, you got it. So color would now be FF3344. I just love this color. This color and the blue color just makes sense. You just have this combined color together. I just love it. So what else are going to add? So the border will still be the same thing. Where's the border? Just copy the border. I don't think I'm going to add, but let's just see let's just check our web page. So you can see immediately. Just makes sense immediately. So just click on this one, it shows this. I click on this one, it shows this. So that's it. So now let's start styling. Let's start styling this thing. It does not look good like this now. Who wants to do something like this? Who? So not to cause any confusion, let's just start styling it. Let's go section 2x2. Section dot 2x2 display grid. I just love grid. Grid just makes things easier. So grid template columns. So I'm going to create just 2 columns. So 1FR, 1FR. Let's just see how that goes. Just as simple as that. No comma or anything. Let me just move that button from this place. Let's move the button. I don't put the button there again. So let me just move this button from there. And let me just put it in another div. Let me just call this div final. Let me just say div dot final 1. Yes, so let's put it there. So you just oh no. Oh god no. Okay, we can actually see put it there. Yeah, we can actually see put it there. Let's just see. This is the same thing. Oh, sorry. Oh yes. What I'm looking for. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So now let's style everything together. Let's do it around corners as always. I'm going to label it. So what's going on in there. So do background. Let's see how that goes. It's adding to everything I'm here. So let's decrease the width as you all know. Let me just copy the same thing I see. Perfect. Just makes sense. I just love grid. Grid just makes things easier. But this noise is not too good. So let's just say 40%. I think this is good. I think this is good. So just put something here, something here. And I've not put gap. That will now make everything just come outside. Yes, let's just say 2EM. Does it make sense? I think so. Yep. So then the next thing I'm going to be doing now is selecting. I'm just going to start the inputs. No, why do copy? I didn't copy it. So let me paste. Now let's start the inputs. Let's give it a border, or let's just say, let's say 2px, solid, hash, ff3344. Let's see how does that go. Yep, it's getting together. So outline none. Yep, so when I click on it, it does not show me that nonsense black dot yet. Don't show me that nonsense black dot. And then just increase the padding. Yes, you got it right, it's padding, yes. Let's say 10px, because no 10px, yeah, that's it. No, it has not reached there. Let's say 40px. Perfect. So let's just continue. Border radius. Let's just say 30px. Is this good enough? Let's see. If I click on this, Is this good enough? I think the padding is too much. Okay, let's just say 30. No, I need to try doing 30px. No, let me just see width. We also have width also. Let's just say 5em. That's what I'm looking for. Now let's give it padding. 5em is too small. I just say 10em. 5em. Let's just say 7em. Yep, now let's increase this padding. Maybe not use px again. That's why you cannot use px and linear, but I just love using the same thing for padding and linear. So let's just say 7em. See how that goes. Oh, that's too big. 4em. No, that's too big. 4em, let's just say 2em. No, that's too small. 3em. This okay? Let's see 3.54. Oh, no, let's see 3.4. Just come outside now. It's just good now. Let's just make this nonsense background code I said. Just put the person know what's going on there. So this is it. So everything is coming outside now. So you can see click on here, click here. So the main thing we have to do now is just to style the button. So let's start the button. Let's give the same button as this one. So I would like to do the button. I have big dots. So I think big dot final one I do. Not this one. We're not doing this CSS yet. Nope. So now let's make it to be at the center. But I don't know. Button does not exactly like to be at the center. So text align center is not going to go. Button is nonsense. So let's just select this file now. Not you. Yes, final one. Yes. Yes. So let's see background color. Let's see this one. So let's see. That's it there. It doesn't really much things. So how do we do this now? Just imagine. Please come to this now. Please. 0 or 2. Let's see now. No. Let's look at the width. Let's see width. Let's see 10%. Yep. Yes, end of this thing. I don't think so yet. Let's do another background color. One pixel and I'm looking for. I don't think there's anything looking for. Calm down. Yeah, this is really fun. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do 30%. 30%. Why is it breaking? This is I need this income. Something definitely wrong with me. This is how it is. Let us give it margin 0 up first. That's right. So let's just see 0 up and let's just increase this one. Let's say the 50%. No, why is that? Okay, 50% is really small. That's it. Let's give 80%. Things will be bigger now. And 90%. Nope. 95%. Yeah. 9%. Let's see if I put it for the let's see 10 again. 9%. Nope. Let us say so let's say 98%. I could always know that if you have a conversation, I'm not going to let's see how can we get to this. So hey guys, I just remember that this I actually use grid for everything. Display grid. What's going on here? I actually use display grid for everything. That's why it's giving me this awful look. Like it's not supposed to, this one's supposed to be at the center, this one's supposed to go to the next line. It's because I actually use grid. So let's change that. Now let's make everything more simple. So to make everything simple, first we're going to select the grid column start 1, grid column end. I like splitting them so it makes things easier for me. So now let's just give this one 50%. I think that's all. Let's just see how everything looks now. It stays at the center immediately. There's nothing like and she it just stay at center. That's all. So let's just make this background color. We don't need it here. We don't need it anymore. Perfect. It's just perfect. Let me just check something first. So if I write something like this, I just write just write something, just write something. Let's see what happens here. So that's what I'm just looking for. I just write all the determinants of the matrices. Let's just write something. Just write the determinants of the matrices is, let's see how that goes here. Yup, it's just great. I just love it, man. So let's just continue. Everything just looks great now. So sorry for the delay. So let's just continue. Let's give the P a. Oh, I remember something right now. Just look at it right now. Just look at it. Just look at it. It does not have like a heading, something like that. So to do that, let's just add something magical here. Let's just H1. Let's just say determinant of a 2 by 2. Let's just create the determinant of a 2. I don't have to be writing 2 by 2 matrices. Yep. Let's see how that goes. Let's get to the problem. Yep, I need a no problem. So now let's select this H1, right? So let's just select this H1 right here. So good, the same thing I did for this one is what I'll do for that one. So Control C. So let's just finish this here, and I think that should solve everything as well. Simple as ABC. Let's refresh. Nothing happens. Everything just looks great. So you can see. So you don't use this one a color, so it does not just feel like I'm the only one that doesn't have a color. So let's just do this, and voila, we're done. We're done with this. So time for the JavaScript. I don't want to just do the HTML, then CSS, and just roll around do the JavaScript together. So I forgot the E here. So thank you for reminding me. So let's just return that back here, here, and that's all. Everything just looks great. That's it. That's just it. As simple as that. So let's just make it to the center. Text align center. Text align center. Yup. Great. Mwah, 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 mwah. I just love CSS. It's complicated but yet simple. Oh, now how do do this one like this one? So calm down. Why are you down there? What are you looking for down there? Did I give something here? Something? Come on. So did I give you? No, I didn't give you something like that. Oh, 40%. That shouldn't do anything. Let's just select it and let's start with this. So 3 by 3. Let's just see what goes on. So section dot display grid. As you all know, grid. I just love grid. Makes sense. Grid template columns. 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR, FR. Let's just see. Why is this staying down? Calm down first. Something wrong. Let me use a background color. Let's see what's going on there. Background color. Yep. It's not moving up. Let's see what's going on. Let's just start to reduce our step. I created this one here. Let's just increase this with here. So let's just increase it. Let's see 54%. Yep. So let's just see Create Matrices. So let's just see margin. Weight 50%. So 50%. So how do you go up there? So margin 0 auto. What are you doing down here? What's going on? You guys causing it. Okay, see you guys causing it. I'm coming. Oh god. Okay. You guys causing it. So this one starts from here. Let me just see if let me just look at something too. Assuming we don't have. Assuming we don't have this. Let's just see what we do. That's what's going on. So this actually affecting this. So how do we solve this issue? So in order to solve this issue that we have here, in order to solve this issue, I will just actually find out something. So what we can actually do is put this in a special div. Let's go div the wrap input. Yep, that's it. Control X. Yep. Once you close it here, it's only going to wrap in the input. What else are we going to wrap in? So after wrapping the input, I'm going to remove this div here. So I'm going to move this H1 here. I'm going to remove you, so we don't need you anymore. So blah. So we're going to use this div dot wrap input. I just copy the class here. I don't do a ending video. Okay, don't understand. So this is it. So forgotten that was live. So this is it. So this is it. If I go back here and everything becomes normal, you can see just simple as that. So no need for any something like that. So we just have to just finish this thing here. You just select the H1 here. Let's move this. We don't need you anymore. Control X, so Control / we don't need you, so let me just give it like a little padding. Let's just say 10px, right? That's it. So then let's look at this button together. The button div.final1, the button, yes, that's it. So we'll just this dot final one, yes. So we don't need you anymore. So I think this should work. Then if I say 70%, let's give it a background color. So should we increase the background color? Because of the margin 0, let's just increase the background color. Let's just increase this with 90%. Yep, so let's now see margin 0 auto. Come to the center. Oh wow, why are you doing this for me? Why are you doing this to me? I see 20% income. Fuck you. Sorry for saying that. So it just gets me frustrated. So sorry for saying that. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is should we give some padding? So just space it out. So just say padding. And just say 20px. Yep. So then let's move this. Boom. That's just it. It's done. So let's bring the P. Let's bring the P to the center. So it's second or two. It's I think second or two by right. So let's just bring this P second or two by a bit. Let's just call it a class straight away. So instead of using that kind of selector, P dot answer 1. So let's just say text align center, right? So boom, that's it. And let's just give it a color. Let's just take the color and we're done. So let's just fix this issue here. So we'll just do the same thing here. So let's just cancel this. So div dot wrap impute 2. You just say div dot wrap impute 2, yes. So div dot wrap impute 2, right? So let's just do like this. So let's just select this and well, everything gets busy. Don't worry. Just don't worry. So div dot wrap impute 2, that's it. So display grid. So grid template column. Let's say 1fr. That's just so simple, man. That's simple. That's just so simple. So the next one going to be, let's just reduce the width. Which should we give it? Let's give it like a width of 60%. 60% should do it. I think that should be enough. That should be enough. So 60% should do it. So let's just have a background color. see what's going on there. Oh, I can see something here. Okay, it reaches it. Wow, that's nice. Okay, just 50%. I'm just margin 0 auto margin. As you all know, I just love this margin 0 auto. It makes everything come to the center. That's it. So I said center right now. What are we going to do now? Let's now start the inputs there. Instead of just sending there, instead of sending each of the inputs, let me just make this one just before the inputs. So let's see. Now why are you having the background color? Oh, sorry, I didn't give it gap. Sorry. So let's just give it gap. Gap of 2em. Let's see. Why are you having the background color? Oh, right. I've forgotten I added the background color too there. So you see, just see how lovely this is. Just see how lovely this is. So let's select this one also. Let's do the same class so everything just becomes easy. This is here. Now see, this one comes to the center, and let's select that one also. So yep, so that's it. And this also comes to the center. So we're done with the HTML. We're done with the HTML and the CSS. We're done with both of them. So now the next thing we're going to be doing now is selecting all of it. So you can see this HTML and CSS. Have a smoother with me. It's not easy coding. So now let's deal with this. And determinants, to find determinant of 2 by 2 is actually easy. Just multiply this first one by this one, and this one by this one. That's just it. This one by this one minus this one by this one. That's just it. Let me just show you how we do it. So to do this, let's just select the input. So let's just say let's I'll use let a equals to document.query selector. I've told you I just love query selector. It just makes life easy. The query selector hash num1, right? So hash num1. So let's just copy this same thing 2 3 4, right? So let's just make this one to be B C D, right? So this num1, this num2, this num3, this num4, right? So I've actually gotten everything like this. So I've actually gotten all the values of this one, all the value. We're actually going to use the value. So just stay with me. So let's just say, so let's solve one. So one is actually a button. So let's just say solve one equals document.query selector. Yup, you got it right. So dot solve one. Yes, that's it. So let's say let's answer one, and let's just copy it. So everything just makes. Let's just copy it. Let's answer one equals document dot query selector dot. That's it. So you got it right. So I've actually selected everything here. I've selected everything here. Everything I'm going to be here, I've selected it here. So now let's get to work. So to do this, I'm going to use the solve one dot add event listener. You got it right. Add event listener. So click comma function, where that's it, that's it. So since I've selected all the A, B, C, D, all I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to just make them to just be like to a variable. So let's say value 1. So let's just say let value 1 equals to a dot value times D. This is, I hope you know that this is, oh sorry, let's just move this one again. This one is disturbing. This is A. Can I just actually write it? Let me just call this one. This is 1. 1 is A. I hope all of you know that. This is 2. This 2 is B. This is 3. 3 is actually C. This is D. This is 4. So this one multiplied by this one. This one multiplied by this one. So it's like this one multiplied by this one minus this one multiplied by this one. I have a graph. So this one multiplied by this one. This minus this one multiplied by this one. So now let's continue. So A dot value times D dot value. So let value 2 equals B dot value times C dot value. Yes, you got it right. Times C dot value. So total will just be, let's total equals value 1 minus value 2. That's what value 1 minus value 2. Right, you got it right. Yes, you got it right. So now what I want to actually happen is that when I click on this button, we want it to show the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrices is this. So to do that, I've just selected the answer 1 here. So let's just move on inside the answer 1. So let me just copy this. So I'll just copy it out. So Ctrl X. So let's just go here. So then say, so answer 1 dot inner HTML. Yeah, you got it right. Equals total equals determinant of matrices is plus total. That's just it. And now let's do this. Let's do it together. So this is 1. Let's just make this one 1. Let's just make this one 2. Let's make this one 3. Let's just make this one 4. So let's just say it's, and it's correct, because 1 times 4 is what? Is 4. Minus 3 times 2 is what? 6. So that's minus 2. So that's it. Just as simple as that. So you can see now it just makes it easy. That's why I just love JavaScript. JavaScript just makes it easy. So I've actually done for the 2 by 2. The next one, so the 3 by 3. So let's start by doing the 3 by 3. So now let's start the 3 by 3. First things first, we get all this. Let's get all of them. Alright? You get me right? So now let's get the value of all of them. So let's get the value. Let's get the value up here. So just make everything up here. So to get the first value, I want to call it FIR equals, so FIR equals documents dot query selector hash no 1. Right, let's just copy this. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's it. So FIR SEC second, T third, second, third, fourth, FOU is better, FO, fifth, FIF, sixth, SI, seventh, SEV, eighth, EI, 9, NI. So that's it. So this is action number 1. No 1, no 2, no 3, no 4, no 5, 6, 7, no 8, 29, 29. So I've selected all this right now. So the next thing is to select the buttons. Yeah. So let's select the buttons. Let's select the button. So let's solve 2. Let's solve 2. Documents dot query selector dot solve 2. So let's documents dot query selector bomb. So we answer 2, right? So I've selected everything like this now. I've selected this. So to find the determinant of any matrices, what I'm going to do for a 3x3 matrices. So it's actually just like a 2x2. Let me make the lights more clearer. So something like this. So to actually solve this, just going to be like this. I'm going to select this first. So I'm going to cancel out these ones like this and these ones like this. This one's like this, this one's like, I'm going to cancel them out. Let me just show you in the WPS. So I'm going to cancel out these ones like this. So it cancels this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. It will now remain this one, remain this one, this one. So let me just call it in the terms I put there. This is FIR, SEC, T, FO, FIF, SI. I think it's SI wrote there. This 6 SEV, EI, NI. So this part is going to cancel first. So it's going to remain FIF. SI is going to remain EI and EI. After EI you have NI. So we'll just this one times this one minus one times this one times this one. Let's just get everything into practice. So so to do that, so let's just get let's just say let's data 1 equals to T FO FIF. So this FIF times this one here. So let's just times this one here times NI. So FIF dot value times NI dot value. Yes, is correct. So then minus si times dot value times ei dot value So that's the term one. So let's just multiply this by kini by so now let's just say first determinant equals f ir dot value times det1. So that's just it. That's just for the first determinant. I've actually gotten this first determinant here. So we're going to cancel this one. We're going to multiply this one by this one, minus this one by this one. So it's going to be this one times this one by times this one. You understand? Shall you understand? So that's it. So then let's just copy the same thing to this for the second one. So let det2 equals to, let's just copy the same thing, but I'm just going to have to change some values there. So Control C, I just pray this thing does not create a confusion. So the next one is actually going to cancel this middle here. Open from the T like this, and like this here. So it means FO, if you are saying is FO times NI. So it should be FO times NI. FO, that's 4, yes, fourth value, yes. FO, yes, FO here, FO times NI, yes, that's correct. So the next one is what? Minus SI times SEV. SEV dot value. That's it. So you're going to multiply this one times this one minus this one times this one. That's it. So that's it. And just select second determinant equals, it's going to be SEC dot value times det2. That's just it. Simple as that. So now let's continue. Let det3, just copy the same thing and just like copying is easy. Encoding, copying is copying, like just copying something, not repeating something is allowed. So the third one, we're going to cancel this one and this one. We're going to like rule them out. Going to remain FO times EI. So FO times EI dot value minus times FIF times SEV. FIF, yep. So FIF times SEV, yeah, that's correct. So that is just as simple as that. So let third determinant, JavaScript you just understand it, it's just simple. It's CSS and an HTML that it's especially CSS that usually make things hard. So as you see now, I'm almost done with everything. Just stay with me. SEC, so let's just say T dot value times det3. That's it. So now find everything all together. All we're going to do is answer 2 dot inner HTML, answer 2 dot inner HTML equals determinant of the matrices is, let's just copy the same thing. Matrices is plus. Let's just create a bracket here. Then you now add these three together. So this is first determinant plus second determinant plus third determinant. Yes, that's correct. And like this, and I think we're done. So let's just test what we've done here. So this is it. Why is it not clicking? That's a HTML equals this. Calm down. What's going on? That's it. So let's just test it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's just find determinants. So what's going on here? So let's just say let 2. I don't like doing something like that. Let's do 2 equals. Let's just make everything to be something here. Total. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why's the button not working? Solve 2 and correct now. What's going on? Oh, that's what's going on. Imagine I forgot to add a full stop here for the class. Imagine God, JavaScript is so good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and boom, and that's it. That's just it. If I just change the number here, let's just make it something like 6. So you don't think is the fake, you can see it's correct. So I'm going to test with the question right now. So let me just get the question. So now I'm actually going to be looking for a question. So let me just go to google.com. So let me just look for a question. Matrices 3 by 3 matrices determinant questions. Just search. So let's take this one. We don't just look for questions, so you can just use the question. So it will just be as if I'm just let's use this question, alright? So we have, as I explained, this just as I explained. I said this first one is going to like multiply by this one. You can see 1 times -5. You understand? So let's just write this thing. 7 minus 4, 2. So 7 minus 4, 2. After minus 4, 2. 3, 1 minus 5. 3, 1 minus 5. 2, 2 minus 5. 2, 2 minus 5, right? So the terminal should be what? 63. No, that's wrong. And this is actually 23. How is that? correct. 7 minus 4 2. 3 1 minus 5 3 1 minus 5, right? 2 2 minus 5. Let's see what's going on there. So let's see what's wrong there. Why am I still on right now? So what's wrong there? FIF, yep, times NI, yes, minus SI, yes, times EI, yes. So first determinant is FIR, yes, times deter1, yes. Deter2 is FO, let's see, FO times NI, right? That's correct. What's this? F SI times SEV, yeah, that's correct. So this SI times, what's wrong? FO, the third one is what? FO times EI, yes. FIF minus FIF. Minus or plus? No, it's minus. FIF times SEV, right? So that's it. What's wrong here? Let total 2 got first determinant plus second determinant plus third determinant. Total 2, yes. What is it giving me? Let's check. Let's check another question. Let's take this question. 1 minus 6 minus 7. 1 minus 6 minus 7. 1 minus 4 7. 1 minus 4 7. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 6. Minus 1 minus 3 7. Actually go 100. What's going on? I'm going to add everything together now. What's going on? What's going on? If I have already everything in small detail. Value. I just figured out something. I forgot to add the unit. I just remember that this place they usually have a plus, minus, plus. I forgot to add the unit. Sorry. Plus, minus, plus. So everything should be correct right now. So let's see. So let's see. 7 minus 4 2. 7 minus 4 2. 3 1 minus 5 3 1 minus 5 2 2 minus 5 2 2 minus 5. Let's give me 100. What is only 23? Oh yeah, 23. Yes, that's correct. Clap for yourself. So if you have actually followed me up to this point step by step, you should actually be getting this thing right. You should be getting it right. No comma, nothing. So I think this will be the end of the video right here, but let's just do another example to just make everything sum up. So 1 minus 6 minus 7, Control R to refresh. So 1 minus 6 minus 7, 1 minus 4 7. Oh, calm down, let's go back here. 1 minus 4 7. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 minus oh sorry, minus 3 minus 6. Let's see how does it give us 100. That's what I'm correct. So that tiny detail actually derailed me from the path. Just this tiny detail, this plus minus plus. Just remember that because it has to be plus minus plus, and that's how everything's going to be in the matrices. So thanks for watching this video, and as always, tomorrow at this same time I'm actually going to be releasing another video, and this video is going to be something more than what you can think of. Just stay tuned. So let us recap, and this is, if you just put this here, 1 minus clinical minus this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, that one, to give control. I think it's minus 6, right? So minus 6, right? Minus 6, right? So you just give me 100. But just say, let them just do something, and they just refresh it, go back there, just do 1, 2, 1, I'm coming, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will give me something like 0. Yes, that's right. So by the first one, I'll give me 0. So it's correct. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share to your friends and family, and let me just tell you something. If you can just follow how I just do this step by step, you actually get the same results. No questions. Just know how clean it is. No comma, nothing. Look at the 2 by 2. Just clean. Look at the 3 by 3. Clean also. What you can see just makes sense. It's just easy. Just do it, and just show this to your parents, and they're going to like it. So kindly like, subscribe, and share to your friends.